Hi guys,
Welcome back to our channel.
we are crazy.
So today we are going to do a super fun challenge. The challenge name is
Whisper challenge.
I hope you all know about it, or else she'll just explain a little bit about it.
Yeah, so basically, one of us will go one by one, and one person will be wearing headphones, and the music will be going on the loudest volume possible.
Possibly.
And the other person who is not wearing the headphones is going to whisper a sentence to the other person, and
हम अभी जाने जो वो gap देखा जाता है.
so the other person who is not wearing the headphones is going to whisper some sentences, like one sentence at one time, to the person, and the person has to guess what he or she is saying. And each person will get 3 chances per sentence. So here we are doing English as well as Gujarati. So
It's gonna be fun.
yes, it's going to be fun. So first we are going to do 3 English sentences અને એના પછી અમે 3 ગુજરાતી sentences કરવાના છે.
So at least let's go for one mock round. I think that would be good.
And here I have this Shrek mug which I just love, which I got from Universal Studios Singapore. You guys can also see our video which we've uploaded. I'm actually very excited about this challenge. So let's begin. Who goes first?
You go first. I'll whisper the first sentence. First demo sentence rather. No points for this.
Okay. It's too loud.
Abada, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. Actually, increase the volume.
You can hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. I'll go deaf. Okay.
Good?
Done.
Okay, start.
Trial round.
Trial round. Get a spoon. Get a spoon.
It is smooth.
One down. Get a spoon.
Hey, I'm making it difficult.
No, I'm not.
At least move your lips.
Get a spoon.
I have no idea what is saying. It is smooth.
Not too smooth. No, second chance gone. Third chance now, last.
How many words? 3 words.
Get
It.
a spoon.
I can only guess smooch.
Ta-da! Wrong. It was
Dude, this trial one already was so tough.
It was-
my ears.
get a spoon.
Get.
And you were going to smooch.
Oh God, this is way tough than it seems. I swear.
Now it's my turn. Okay, let's go for it.
Yeah. Music is on.
Yeah, it's on.
Once in a blue moon. 5 words. No cheating, yaar. He's such a cheater. He just lowered the volume. No cheating matter.
No cheating matter.
That is not the sentence. Once in a blue moon.
Once in a blue moon.
Yeah. Oh my God. Are you cheating by any chance?
Sorry?
Are you cheating by any chance?
No, not at all.
Okay, anyways, let's start the game now.
Let's
The actual
start
game.
it. So the first sentence is up now, guys.
Yeah.
Okay.
I can see.
But don't see. Okay. Love your enemies. It makes them angry.
Love your enemies and make them mine.
Very good. Like the first part, she guessed it correct.
What?
Now let's see. One
Love
wrong.
your enemies.
One wrong. Okay. Second chance. Second chance.
Second.
Love your enemies. It makes them angry.
And make them love your enemies and make them cry.
Very
And-
close, very close. Not actually and also, but very
What?
close.
Very
You don't-
close.
Very close. You're very close to that. Love.
Your-
Last chance. Last chance. Okay.
Okay.
Third chance. Love.
Love your enemies.
It makes them angry.
Love your enemies and make them angry.
Yeah, very much correct. I can give a point to that.
What?
It was love your enemies, it makes them angry. But you said and make them angry. You don't love them and make them angry as well.
So then half point.
No, 1 point,
1
it's
point.
okay.
Thank you. That's so sweet of you.
I know
Okay,
that.
my chance. Blue is
Blue is
greener.
green,
Greener.
greener. Then,
Slowly.
I don't know, I'm not shouting, but I really cannot.
It's okay. Then blue is greener than purple.
Eh. Blue is the
Blue.
blue
Blue
is
greener
greener
than
than
slowly. Purple.
people.
Purple. Last chance.
Last chance. Third
Purple
chance.
is so cute. Last chance.
Third chance.
Blue is greener than purple.
Blue is greener than purple.
Right. Woohoo! So 1 point to Meadow.
So now the second sentence is up for Hinal and I'll be speaking it. Go for it, bro.
Thanks. Wish me luck, guys. I need it.
Should I play the music?
Yeah. It is.
It's I'm saying the full sentence, okay?
Okay.
Okay?
I can understand this. Why can't I understand this sentence?
No problem. Pikachu, I choose you.
You're purposely making it hard.
No, it is just four words.
4 words.
4 words. Pikachu.
Maru. Gujarati.
It's English. First try, first try. Pikachu, I choose you.
It seems so wrong.
Try it out.
I can hear a bad slang at the end.
No bad words. No bad words. Okay, I'll say it one more time, okay? Pikachu, I choose
My shoes.
you. Wait, let me complete. Pikachu, I choose you. I'm saying it so
I can
loud.
see
I'm saying it so
how I can
loud.
see.
Okay. Pikachu, I choose you. I'm saying it so clear. Can you guess? Obviously,
I love you.
No. Third try now. You are gone. Pikachu,
Parachute.
I choose you.
I love you.
You're done.
Oh,
It was
God.
not even close.
What was it?
Pikachu, I choose you.
Oh God. I choose you. It sounded so bad. Okay, your turn.
It's great. Now let's see who gets the
I
point.
feel like my sentences are very easy for him.
I am good at guessing. You can say it the other way around.
Whatever. Okay.
Ow.
Okay. Are you ready? Okay. First try. 3 words. SpongeBob.
SpongeBob.
Oh God, how? SquarePants. SquarePants. SpongeBob. SquarePants.
You're now making it difficult.
No. SpongeBob. SquarePants. How am I making it difficult? I already told 3 times.
Second.
No, now third time. SpongeBob SquarePants.
I can hear something like square.
Yes.
SpongeBob square. And what was the third? Can you repeat again?
Last time I'm
Yeah.
repeating entire thing. SpongeBob SquarePants.
SpongeBob square mess or something like that.
No, how can you not know? Okay, he didn't used to like SpongeBob, so SpongeBob SquarePants. It's his name.
Pants. I said mess. But still, I guess the 2, so I can get the
No,
point.
he won't get a point. 0 to both of us in this round.
Why? You're
Why
such a
would
cheater,
I?
man.
No.
In the first round, I gave you
But
points
that
for
was your
that.
choice. I didn't ask.
Cheater. Cheater. Salad eater.
Yes.
Now your turn.
Third round.
Sentence.
Last round for the English one.
Yeah. Okay. Go.
Go for it.
Six
words.
6 words. I
I
like to
you
eat
in
my
my
toes.
toes.
Very much correct, but too.
Clothes.
I like to eat my
by
toes.
yours.
Third chance.
I like to eat. That's right. By is right.
No, I don't know.
I like to eat
I like to eat my toes.
mangoes. I like to eat mangoes.
No, very close. Very close. You were very close.
What was it?
It was I like to eat my toes. In the first time
But
you
I
said
it.
toes.
My toes. I said.
No, you didn't.
I said my toes. I like
You
to
didn't.
eat my toes. Madam, first time
No.
only I guessed it right.
In that you didn't say eat.
Oh, I like
You
my
said
toes.
something
Oh,
like that.
God.
Again, 0. Boiling under.
But who eats their toes?
It's just
What
a
was
Mr.
this
Challenge.
Sons?
There's no sense to it.
Now I'm gonna give you any rubbish then.
Give it. I can take it, baby.
Okay. One sip and then go.
Let's pour.
Go. Okay? हाँ ये कर ले पहले तू ये कर ले
और
ऐसे तू पहले ये कर ले
Okay.
Yeah. The volume is loud, no? You cannot do that. You're so cheap.
In fact, in
We
yours
had
one.
reduced the volume, guys.
No. In fact, in yours I had reduced 2
But why?
points.
Keep it constant now. Okay. So, I forgot my sentence. I remember now. Wear it. Maddo, wear it properly. Maddo! Okay. What? यार नहीं कर. He's such a cheater. यार. You can't play any game with him. Play. I can't hear the music.
It's playing. See, it's playing.
Why so slow?
I don't know.
Okay. Listen. 6. The ball is in your court.
The poet is in your fox.
No. Second time. The ball is
is
in
a
your
tall. The ball is tall.
court. Second time gone. Third, last time. The ball is in your court.
The ball is in whose court?
No, very close.
The ball is in, then I don't know what is.
Your court.
One more time.
The ball.
In the point.
What? You changed the sentence.
What was it? The
I
ball
just
is.
said you're close and you changed the entire sentence.
The ball is in.
Your court.
I said that. I
You didn't say your. You said in whose court.
Whose court? Oh
So I said
shit.
close enough.
Yeah.
So you don't
Okay,
get
I can get a point for that.
Half point. I said the sentence to you 5 times. Did you do that for me?
Many times.
Sure.
Last time.
Take half a point for it. It's okay. Such a
Babu.
baby.
Last time I told you so many times that these.
So even
I
I was
stopped at
saying,
every.
even I was
But I
saying.
guessed it in one chance. The ball is in something in one chance. So I
तो-
get an additional
तो you got
advantage
half
for
ना
that.
बस.
Yeah. Okay, I'll go first in Gujarati.
Okay, we'll play Gujju songs. Not happening, sure.
Let's play Shu. Ramuchu. આપણે રમું
Ramuchu.
છું.
हाँ, चलो. Okay. This is too funny. ભેકણા
What?
ભેકણા તાણીને નહીં રડ.
I'm blown. મને છે ને બહુ ખરાબ બોલું સંભળાય છે એમાં. એક વખત રિપીટ કરને.
ભેકણા
બાપા
ભેકણા
પાતરા.
ભેકણા તાણીને નહીં રડ.
She's making it too hard and she's not speaking properly. બરાબરથી બોલતી પણ નથી.
ભેકણા તાણીને નહીં રડ. I also did an action.
You know, મને આમાં એવું લાગે છે કે ગાળ આપે છે મને.
કઈ ગાડ?
Last chance.
This is tough, guys. ભેકણા
મારા તારા બાપા.
આટલું બધું તો બોલી પણ નથી. ભેકણા
મેગ્નેટ.
ભેકણા તાણીને નહીં રડ. નો
What is it?
ભેકણા તાણીને નહીં રડ.
ભેકડા. તારા ભેકડા લાવું છે. મને એકચ્યુઅલી બહુ ગાળ જેવું લાગતું હતું અને થોડું બહુ આમ જતું હતું ત્યાં યાર. આવું નહીં કરો.
Sorry.
Okay,
અરે
ચલો.
પ્લે કરા દે.
વાત
કેટલા વર્ડ્સ છે? 10. He's mad.
બહુ પણ નાના છે એકદમ. વાત જરા એમ છે
This is so distracting.
and it is very much distracting when you love the song. Huh? It is very much distracting when you love the song and it's playing in your
Actually, and
ears.
it's Gujarati also.
Yeah.
It has wording, so we can't judge.
Okay.
But you can't give me a 10 words all a sentence.
Always,
Give me 4 tries.
Okay, 5 tries, okay?
Thanks.
5 tries. વાત જરા એમ છે કે મારે તારી સાથે પ્રેમ છે.
મને તારી સાથે પ્રેમ છે.
Okay, last is okay.
મને તારાથી પ્રેમ છે.
Okay. And the first part. વાત જરા એમ છે કે
કેમ છે?
third chance.
એમ છે.
બોલવા તો દે. વાત જરા એમ છે કે નહીં
હું મને તારાથી પ્રેમ છે. That is right.
like it's second half.
That is right.
હા
So I get half point.
ઓકે ચલ દીધો જો
Starting નું બોલે એક વાર last time.
વાત જરા એમ છે કે
વચ્ચે એમ છે કે વાત એમ છે કે
હા
વાત એમ છે કે
yeah
ઓહો
nice she gets a point.
એમ છે કે મને તારાથી પ્રેમ છે. Oh, I love you too. Oh my god, my ears. Okay, start. 5 words. કેવી ચાલી રહી છે જિંદગી.
What are you doing?
Talking. One time what? Second. કેવી ચાલી રહી છે જિંદગી.
I don't know. I can hear all food items. Khandvi, cha, kadhi.
What? ભૂખ લાગી બાબુ. No. Third time. કેવી
Evi,
કેવી
kevi,
હા ચાલી
kevi જાત.
It's nothing bad.
આખો બોલ આખો.
કેવી ચાલી રહી છે જિંદગી.
Why do you like that?
If I don't say it very obviously તો પણ તને પ્રોબ્લેમ છે. અને કહું છું તો
I'm
મારી
enjoying
મજા
the
પડે.
music.
No. I'm
બોલો.
talking to you. કેવી
કેવી
ચાલી
જાત.
કેવી ચાલી
ચા.
રહી છે જિંદગી.
કેવી ચાલી રહી છે
હા જિંદગી. Okay, he doesn't get it. કેવી ચાલી રહી છે જિંદગી.
કેવી ચાલી રહી છે I just miss જિંદગી.
જિંદગી તો મેઇન છે. શાયદ
Sharp. Okay, half point I can get for that.
કેટલી વાર કીધું મેં 100 વાર કીધું ત્યારે તે ગેસ કર્યું ઠીક છે
જો મારું difficult તો.
એ toothpaste છે
Yeah. I was enjoying the song, that's why.
5 words
જો બકા
જો બકા
તકલીફ તો રહેવાની.
તકલીફ તો રહેવાની જ Oh God, that was my sentence.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Shit. That was my next sentence.
Actually, yesterday we were thinking that our sentences should not coincide.
See, जो बका तकलीफ तो રહેવાની જ. See,
Actually.
guys, it's
Wow.
there.
Wow. In mine also it's there. I don't know if you can read it. It's upside down the side. Okay, not bad. She's running at 3 right
Okay,
now and I'm
Alex.
running at 2. Last round. Decider.
Okay, now I have to guess a sentence also. મારે હવે વિચારવું પડશે શું આપું તને.
કલડી વરસી રે સરોવર ચડી બેઠા સાત સમંદર પાર में तेरे पीछे पीछे आ
He is
गया
listening to a mixture, Hindi and Gujarati mix. Okay.
आ गया
Ready?
કૃષ્ણ ભગવાન આવ્યા.
Ready? 5 words. તું આંખ બંધ કરી દે છે તું મને બહુ ગમે છે
See, બહુ ગમે છે that I know.
Yeah,
Second time.
full છે, volume is full. તું મને બહુ
તું મને બહુ ગમે છે.
Yes, I gave you a very easy one. Yeah.
No, please.
Yeah.
This is let it be.
Babu, it was easy.
Let
તું
it
મને
be.
બહુ ગમે છે is easy only, but still I'm in the lead right now by half a
And
point.
આ મારા સેન્ટેન્સ નું જ ઓલું હતું. ફર્સ્ટ સેન્ટેન્સ મેં એવી રીતના જ આપ્યું હતું. વાત
તો
જરા એવી
યાદ
છે
નથી
કે
યાર
ના ના
પણ એ ઠીક છે ને તો તને તો ગેસ નહોતું જ ને કે હું ઈ કહીશ
તો પણ next song please.
ગુજરાતી
No, we are playing
Radha
Kolavaradi.
Nisha
We are playing Kolavaradi.
No,
It's
Gujarati
confusing. No, it's confusing.
song. But it's my choice.
तुझो
राधा ने श्याम मળી જાશે.
Okay, the final sentence is over here.
Reminds us of our Sangeet night.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3. It's 8. 8 words.
8.
બહુ સિમ્પલ છે પણ. Okay? Done? તારા કાકા મારા બાપા તારા કાકા.
તારા પકોડા.
Where does pakoda come in here? Pakoda ક્યાંથી
તારા
આવ્યા?
પકોડામાં કચોરી.
પકોડામાં કચોરી.
શું બટેટા?
Second
બોલ.
time. તારા કાકા
બટેટા વડા.
Why are you making vulgar accents?
I meant બટેટા વડા.
No. You want to hear it full first? આખું સાંભળવું છે આખું?
આખું જ બોલ.
આખું. તારા કાકા મારા કાકા તારા
તારા
બાપા.
ઘરના બટેકા.
It's awesome.
સ્પ્લિટ કર થોડુંક આમ.
તારા કાકા.
તારા હાથના.
Last chance. I'm
આખું
saying
બોલ.
full. તારા કાકા મારા કાકા તારા બાપા મારા કાકા.
તારા કાકા તારા બાપા મારા કાકા.
Wow, nice.
ઓહો, મને એમનું સમજાયું બાપા કાકા એટલે ફ્લુકમાં કહી દીધું.
Not bad. In the Gujarati wala sentences એને 3 રાઈટ મળ્યા છે. Wow.
દિલ સે
Not-
ગુજ્જુ ગાઈસ.
દિલ સે ગુજ્જુ. અને મને ઇંગ્લિશમાં વધારે રાઈટ મળ્યા
દિલ સે
છે.
ફોરેનર.
So final score હવે છે હેનલ બેન અમારા 4 પોઈન્ટ ઉપર
This-
અને ઋષભભાઈ અમારા 3 પોઈન્ટ ઉપર.
Okay, so the final scores are, guys, I am at 4 points in counting both the
Games.
rounds. Both the rounds.
6 રાઉન્ડ એટલે 6 sentences માં 4
Yeah.
પોઈન્ટ.
Out of all the 6 sentences,
Yeah.
I have got 4 points and he has got 3 points.
બટ એમાં
So
જોવા
I
જઈએ તો
won.
એકચ્યુઅલી એમાં જોવા જઈએ તો ફર્સ્ટ મેં તને આખું ફૂલ આપી દીધેલું.
તો ટાઈ થઈ જાત તો આપણે और एक टाई ब्रेकर રમવું પડત
કશો વાંધો નહીં.
and I would
good.
win that too.
Oh. Okay, so आज
it was
तू
so much fun.
actually so much fun. Okay, so actually guys, you should try it. It's really awesome game, and we actually it was the Whisper Challenge idea also was of her. The sentences, even though
because I'd seen a lot of videos online and it was amazing, you know.
actually it was amazing,
even
you know,
playing
playing it. Actually, while we were seeing the YouTube videos also,
We were
sometime
laughing.
we were laughing
Yeah.
crazy because guessing someone's sentences just by their lip
And
sync.
then saying all rubbish while
And
guessing it.
the best part is when you're hearing to your music, your favorite music,
Yeah.
it is constantly going in your head,
Yeah,
so
true.
you cannot guess the sentence.
And
Like you
it's-
cannot concentrate on that.
And it's a very fun challenge. We thought it's a very fun video. Would get a
Yeah.
smile on also the viewers.
Viewers.
And it was fun, guys. So, anyways, I hope તમને video ગમ્યો હોય, guys.
So if you really like the video, please hit the like button over there. We really want your love. And if
Yes.
you have not subscribed to our channel, please subscribe.
And
Please.
also one important mention, guys. Thank you to everyone that has subscribed to us and given us so much love. We
Thank
really
you so
appreciate it. Right now we
Yeah.
have what
131 subscribers.
131 subscribers while we are filming this. We don't know by the time we upload it how many it
Yeah.
would be. But thank you so much, guys, for all the
Everybody.
love and support. And we love you guys. Thank
Love
you so
you.
much for watching.
See you soon. Bye bye.
Bye, guys. And as you were saying, like,
Share and subscribe.
Bye, guys.